Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we are going to learn how to be an owl. Let's get right to it. Because I have had my fair share of dressing up as animals. My brother Sam, hoot hoot, will help me. Owls have ginormous eyes. They can see 8 times better than we can. For us to see what an owl would see, our eyes would have to be the size of grapefruit. Owls' eyes cannot move around in their sockets like we can, so that's why they have to turn their head when they look. Their pupils are so big because they hunt at night, so they have to have a lot of light coming in so they can actually see. So, to improvise, we will put on these ginormous grapefruit-sized eyeballs. Owls can also see a candle lit from 2 miles away. Now, our next thing will be ear tufts and actual ears. So, ear tufts really have no purpose but for territorial displays, and ears obviously are meant for listening, but owl's ears are different than humans. As you can see, one ear is at the very top of his head, and the other one is lower. This is so if they can hear a mouse. The reason why their ears are placed so awkwardly and strangely is so they can focus better. For example, there's a mouse way down here. This ear will catch it before this ear will, so it'll kind of be delayed on this top ear. So once they both start hearing at the same noise, then they know that the mouse is in that certain area. Because an owl has such great vision, he needs some binoculars because of the binocular vision. Put your hands down, owl. Owls don't have hands. Owls obviously have wings. How else would they fly? And as you can see, this owl doesn't have any wings yet. So, what we are going to do is we are going to improvise by putting on some feathers. Owls' feathers are very uniquely designed because they can fly silently without being noticed by anything. Give me your hand, owl. Thank you. Boom, one wing down. But wait, owls do not have true noses, so we will improvise. Because owls do not have a true nose, it enables them to eat their favorite food, a skunk. So guys, as you saw in the video, there is some actual live footage of a barred owl. Unfortunately, it is in our nature center, and because I volunteer at one, that is why we had permission to film there. When it was little, it got kicked out of its nest, and it didn't go back, and it couldn't survive without any help. So we took it in, and it just got used to us. We tried releasing it 3 times, and it came back 3 times. So that is why we have a barred owl. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to be an owl. My name's Jack. Be nimble, be quick, and I'll see you next time. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to be a barred owl. My name, Owl. Because owls do not have noses, that enables them. Fun fact, an owl can hear a mouse a whole entire football field away. Hear a mouse walking a whole entire football field away. The reason why their ears are placed so... The next thing we will do is add ear tufts and ear tufts. This is so if they can hear a mouse pretty far away, so they know how you. So owls have ginormous eyes. The reasons